You are probably asking yourself why you should watch the World Cup. Maybe you have never watched a match in your life. Maybe you watched before, but never felt the pull. This video is not about rules. It is not about tactics. This is about why billions of people fall in love with this sport. And why you might be next. The World Cup, the biggest tournament in sport, starting soon. Let's talk about it. Every 4 years, the entire planet focuses on one thing. Not the Olympics, not any other competition. This, 5 billion people watch the World Cup final. That is more than half the human population on Earth. Wars have paused for it. Countries that agree on nothing agree that this matters. This is not just a football tournament. It is the closest thing the world has to a shared experience. This year, it is hosted across 3 countries, the United States, Canada, and Mexico. The history of 96 years is coming to this continent. This tournament has been running since 1930. 96 years of history. The first one had 13 teams. Several refused to come because the boat trip took 3 weeks. In 1950, Brazil hosted and lost the final in front of 200,000 of their own fans. They still talk about that day. In 1966, someone stole the World Cup trophy from an exhibition in London. A dog named Pickles found it wrapped in newspaper under a hedge. England won the World Cup that year. The dog became a national hero. In 1970, Brazil won it so beautifully that they were allowed to keep the original trophy forever. In 1986, one player scored what many call the greatest goal in history. In the same match, that same player also scored with his hand. The referee did not see it. In 1994, the best player in the tournament missed the final penalty and his team lost. He said years later he still dreams about it. Every World Cup produces moments that people remember for the rest of their lives. The goal nobody expected, the underdog that was never supposed to be there. That beats the favorite anyway. The player who carries an entire nation on their back for 90 minutes. The goalkeeper who saves 3 penalties in the shootout to send their country to the final. The captain who lifts the trophy after decades of his country waiting. The player who misses the final penalty and sits there while the world moves around them. These moments happen every 4 years. Then they are gone. You cannot experience them for the first time twice. This World Cup will produce its own moments that people will talk about for decades. This is the biggest World Cup ever made. 48 nations, more teams than ever before. The best players in the world, all in the same tournament. The most dramatic format in sport. One loss and you go home. Players who have waited their entire careers for this moment. Nations that have never won it, dreaming that this year is different. Nations that have won it before, desperate to win it again. Everyone playing for something, everyone with everything to lose. And somewhere in this tournament, something will happen that nobody has ever seen before. A moment that will be remembered for the next 50 years, and you will be there for it. You do not need to understand every rule, you do not need to pick a team, you just need to watch one match. Because 90 minutes from now, something will happen that you did not expect, and you will want to know what happens next. That is how it starts for everyone who loves this sport. One match, one moment, and you are in. Nobody who watches the World Cup regrets it. Nobody. Watch it. The game has not changed in 100 years. The feeling has not changed either. You have. If this doesn't make you watch the World Cup, I don't know what will. You're welcome.